Hi everybody, welcome to Sunya IAS. Now, with 45 days to go for the exam, revision is the buzzword. So to aid you in this process so that you are effectively prepared for the upcoming CSE Prelims exam, Sunya IAS has come up with a Ruthless rapid revision program for environment. With a merger of Indian Forest exam and also the CSE, you can expect somewhere around 18 to 20 questions on this subject, environment. And which means if you are able to get a lot of these questions correct, you have a very good advantage. To make sure you get this advantage, this is the program which will be very beneficial for you. Ruthless rapid revision. From the very name, you can easily understand that yes, we will be covering all the important topics. And yes, this will be very rapid because we are in almost the last phase of the preparation. Okay, so yes, all these topics in a very short compressed time span so that we cover all the breadth of topics, but we do it in a short span. That is the main idea. And yes, you are going to revise all the important themes. So now let me tell you the structure of the course so you get more clarity as to how we are going to accomplish this objective. So in a span of 2 days, okay, for 8 hours, we are going to have classes. So 2 days, 8 hours you spend with me, and that gives you an access to almost 20 questions. Isn't that a strategic advantage, right? In this, I will be covering static portions of environment as well as the current affairs. And when I say current affairs, I will be covering roughly 18 months of current affairs. So when, for example, if I discuss any species with you, any topic of pollution, climate change, so I will be giving you the background as well as the most recent happening alongside. Okay, we will also be solving previous year questions in this. There will be test series, other test series questions as well. So there is nothing which will be left which you have not done or perhaps you have not been exposed to. That is the basic idea of this course. Okay, and there will also be live MCQ solving. So see, the exam is about solving as many questions as possible and basically MCQs. So I will be telling you, especially with environment, the important tips, tricks, how to attempt a question, how to understand and analyze options. So all of that is a feature of this intense 8-hour sessions on 2 days, right? And now I'll tell you the dates. So please mark the dates in the calendar, 22 April and 23 April. In this, we are covering environment in 2 days basically, with both static as well as current affairs. Now you may wonder, and one question can be, sir, who should be doing this program? So this program is both, let's say you are a beginner and you are giving this first attempt, very useful for you. And even in case you have already given attempts, even for you, this program is going to be very useful, okay? Because for 2 days in rapid sessions, we are going to cover all these things. So that will give you a very good idea. So not just the basics, but we'll also do the intermediate as well as the advanced concepts in this course, okay? And in case you have done, let's say, the prelims crash course, or you were a student of it and you did it, let's say in December, January, few months back, and now the things are hazy. So this is a very good time to spend, okay? So you can definitely avail this course and you can revise alongside. And how are we going to revise? So here the course is organized in a manner that aids the information which you process, and that gives you the maximum output. So this is divided into 9 specific topics which will be covered in a span of 2 days, with having static as well as the current affairs component inside it, right? And all the relevant updates, okay, like till the March of the month will be covered and are a part of this course, okay? So the moment, let's say, we are doing mangroves, so not only we'll see the mangrove species in news, okay, the Maharashtra was the state having the state mangrove tree. We'll also see in the recent budget announcement mangrove related announcements, and not just mangroves, but in every topic, be it climate change, be it biodiversity, we'll see the background of it, and we'll also see the most recent happening. So that gives you a 360-degree view, okay? That also is very useful, and all of that is aided. So we will be discussing these things. I'll be doing this in my teaching style, and this teaching style is also aided through a lot of immersive PPTs. You will see a lot of images, diagrams, so that makes institutions, conventions, and especially species which many of you dread, that becomes very easy to understand. Okay, because for everything, if you have some facts, some stories, so it becomes easy to process it. So we'll do all of this, okay, in a very time bound, in a target oriented, revision friendly manner, and that is the basic idea of this course. All right, so you can join this course. I think the link is already shared with you. All right, so make the best use of this course, right? And for example, and that also gives you access to all these previous year questions. So these are the questions which were asked in this year, okay? And also we're expecting through this course, because we're covering all the topics and subtopics properly, you will have a very good chance and very high accuracy if you do this properly, if you revise it well, if you practice the questions well, even at the upcoming prelims. All right, so that should aid you in your exam, okay? And those of you who are also interested, the environment crash course is already underway, so you may try to avail it. And even the current affairs Samadhan magazine, that is already an ongoing course, so even that is there. But for those of you who want to do environment in a very short, okay, time friendly, time oriented, revision friendly manner, Ruthless revision program is for you, okay? So I'll see you very soon in the program. All the very best to the aspirants for the upcoming exam. Thank you.